to Tip Tuesday, everybody, and we have our first and very special guest on our Tip Tuesday show today, Sonya, who is our new build specialist. And today we want to talk about the process of finding land and building a semi-custom or custom home. So Sonya, what are the steps that are taken? How do you start this process?
Yeah, that's a great question. So I grew up in construction, so I new build custom homes are my babies. I love them. So the biggest thing that you can do is you want to make sure that you find, first of all, that you find a great builder. So there's so many different builders out there. You want to make sure that your guys' style kind of jives with each other. And once you narrow down those builders, what you're going to do is you're going to start looking for land. And a lot of people don't know, and what this video is going to be focusing on is that you can do a single close loan, which Ryan's going to go over with, and where you could lump together your loan and also all of your construction costs. So you will look for your land, and then once you find that land, then the builder will go ahead and submit kind of like a portfolio, a resume of what they have done to be approved by the lender. And then Ryan goes ahead and he does his magic, which he'll explain right now.
That's when we take over, Sonia. Yeah, thank you. And our construction loan has been very popular over the past few years, especially 2020 and 21. When inventory was low, a lot of our clients weren't finding the right houses, so a lot of them decided just to buy land and build their own house. And the beauty about that program, as Sonia was saying, is that we could finance both the land and the cost of construction in one loan. And on top of that, you don't need 20% down like a lot of people think, or there's other programs out there that require it. You only need 5% down. So in a nutshell, when we close on a construction loan, what Waterstone will do is when you found that land and you have your builder ready, we'll pay off that land, and then we'll give disbursements to the builder so they could build a home, usually in 12 months or less. So it's a great program. If you just can't find that right house, but know the area and the land you want, and you find the right builder, this could be a perfect program for you.
Wow. Then that 5% is a difference maker.
Yes.
It's huge.
That's awesome, you guys. So really awesome tip for this Tuesday for folks who are looking to build that home that, like we were saying, they just aren't able to find that perfect home that matches everything that they want. So if you guys have any questions out there regarding this, reach out to myself, Sonya, or Ryan. And thank you, Sonya. Thank you for being our very first guest on the show today. Me. And thank you guys for tuning in. As always, we will see you next week. Bye.